Imagine, you wake up in the morning. Before you even stretch, before you even breathe deeply, your hand reaches for your phone. You scroll. You see anger. You see violence. You see lies. You see pain. You see people fighting people. You see the world tearing itself apart on a small screen in your hand. And slowly, quietly, without your permission, something dangerous happens inside you. Your heart starts believing that this is the whole world. Your mind starts thinking that this is all there is. You begin to believe that people are bad, that kindness is rare, that humanity is losing its soul. But let me tell you something the headlines will never tell you. While bad news screams for attention, good people are working silently. While drama gets cameras, kindness gets ignored. While fear is being sold, love is being lived. There are people right now, at this very moment, helping strangers, saving lives, feeding the hungry, comforting the lonely, and healing broken hearts. No cameras, no applause, no reward, just heart, just humanity. I am here today to remind you of those people. I am here to remind you of that world. I am here to take your heart back from fear and give it back to hope. Because humanity is not dying. Humanity is fighting. And it is winning one kind soul at a time. Number 1. Kindness is still alive. Do not let the noise of the world confuse you. Kindness is not gone. It is alive. It is breathing. It is walking among us every single day, in every city, in every street, in every quiet corner where cameras never go. It lives in the stranger who opens a door when your hands are full. It lives in the driver who stops when your car breaks down. It lives in the teacher who stays late to help a student who feels stupid. It lives in the nurse who holds a patient's hand when no family is there. Kindness is not always loud. It does not always post online. Sometimes it whispers. Sometimes it hides. But it never disappears. Every small act of kindness sends a big message. It says, you matter. It says, you are seen. It says, you are not alone. A single kind moment can change how someone sees the world. A single kind word can save someone from giving up. A single kind action can become the reason someone believes again. And every time someone chooses kindness instead of anger, patience instead of hate, love instead of ego, humanity takes one powerful step forward. Number 2. Heroes without capes. The greatest heroes are not in movies. They are not rich. They are not famous. They do not walk on red carpets. They walk on cracked sidewalks. They live normal lives. But their hearts are extraordinary. They are the single mother who feeds a hungry neighbor even when her own fridge is empty. They are the teenager who spends his savings to buy food for the homeless. They are the worker who stands up for someone being bullied. They are the stranger who saves a life and disappears without a name. These heroes do not wait for perfect conditions. They act in imperfect moments. They do not wait to be rich to give. They give with what they have. They do not wait to be strong to help. They help even when they are tired, broken, and scared. They do not help because it is easy. They help because it is right. They do not help for praise. They help because their heart will not let them walk away. They remind us of a powerful truth. You do not need power to be great. You do not need money to be meaningful. You only need a heart that refuses to ignore pain. Number 3. When one act changes everything. Never believe that your actions are too small. One action can change everything. One word can heal a wound you cannot see. One moment can save a life you will never know. A smile can stop someone from ending their life. A kind sentence can pull someone out of darkness. A helping hand can become the reason someone survives another day. You may never know the weight someone is carrying. You may never see the tears they hide. You may never hear the battles they fight in silence. But your kindness can touch a place in them that pain could not destroy. And when it does, you become more than a person. You become hope. You become strength. You become a turning point in someone's story. Do not wait to do something big. Do something kind, because kindness is always big in the heart of the one who receives it. Number 4. Unity is stronger than pain. When life breaks people, humanity repairs them. When tragedy hits, love rises. When fear spreads, courage answers. In the darkest moments, people come together. Strangers become family. Hands reach across differences. Hearts connect without asking names. Disasters do not only show destruction. They show character. They show who we really are. And who we really are is kind, brave, and united. Pain may test us, but unity defines us. And when we stand together, no storm is strong enough to break our spirit. When fires burn homes, people open doors. When floods take everything, people give everything. When loss takes hope, people bring it back. Unity is not a word. It is an action. It is people choosing each other over fear. It is hearts choosing love over division. It is strangers saying, "Your pain is my pain." Together, we are stronger than tragedy. Together, we are louder than fear. Together, we are proof that humanity cannot be destroyed. Number 5. Children remind us who we were. Look into the eyes of a child and you will see pure humanity. No hate, no pride, no walls, only love, honesty, and care. Children help without thinking. They love without limits. They forgive without holding pain. They give without expecting anything back. They remind us of who we were before the world taught us fear, before life taught us doubt, before pain taught us to close our hearts. Children are not learning kindness. They are born with it, and their actions remind us of a forgotten truth. We were born kind. The world just made us forget. A child does not ask who you are. A child asks how you feel. A child does not judge your past. A child believes in your heart. They show us that love is natural. Hate is taught. And every time a child helps someone, humanity gets a new chance to heal. If we listened to children more, the world would hurt less. If we followed their hearts, the world would shine more. They are not just the future. They are the reminder of our best past. Number 6. Stories that travel the world. Some stories are not written with ink. They are written with tears, with courage, with sacrifice, and with love. These are the stories that do not stay in one place. They move. They travel. They cross streets, cities, states, and oceans. A single act of kindness can begin in a small town and end up touching millions of hearts across the world. One person helps another. Someone records it. Someone shares it. And suddenly, millions of people are reminded of something they were forgetting. That people are still good. That humanity is still alive. These stories do not go viral because they are flashy. They go viral because they are real. Because they touch something deep inside us. Something that pain could not kill. Something that fear could not erase. Every time you watch a story of kindness, your heart feels lighter. Every time you see a stranger helping another, you believe again. And when you believe again, you become ready to do good too. Stories are not just entertainment. Stories are medicine. They heal the soul. They wake the heart. They remind us of who we are supposed to be. Number 7. Dale Carnegie was right. Dale Carnegie believed that people are hungry, not for money, not for fame, but for respect, for appreciation, for understanding. Every human heart wants to feel seen. Every soul wants to feel valued. Every person wants to know that their life matters. When you listen to someone, you give them dignity. When you respect someone, you give them strength. When you appreciate someone, you give them life. The stories of kindness we see today are living proof of his wisdom. They show us that when we care about people, people change. When we treat people with kindness, people heal. Success is not about how high you rise. Success is about how many people you lift while you rise. Greatness is not in your title. Greatness is in your heart. Dale Carnegie did not teach us how to win arguments. He taught us how to win hearts. And the world needs that lesson now more than ever. In a time where people talk more and listen less, his words remind us to slow down, to care, to understand, to connect. He taught that a kind word can open a locked heart, that a smile can break a wall, that respect can change a life. And every time you choose to understand instead of judge, to help instead of ignore, to love instead of hate, you are living his message. Number 8. You matter more than you think. You may think you are small. You may think your life is ordinary. You may think your actions do not matter. But let me tell you something powerful. To someone, you are the reason they are still alive. To someone, your words were the only light in their darkness. To someone, your kindness was their last hope. You will never fully know how many lives you touch just by being you. Your smile can save. Your voice can heal. Your presence can change destinies. Do not wait to be famous to be important. Do not wait to be rich to be valuable. You are already enough. Right now, just as you are. The world does not change because of powerful people. The world changes because of caring people. And you are one of them. Even on the days you feel invisible, you matter. Even on the days you feel weak, you matter. Even on the days you feel lost, you matter. Someone is watching how you treat people. Someone is learning from your kindness. Someone is surviving because of your words. You are not just living a life. You are shaping lives. And that makes you more powerful than you will ever understand. Number 9. Choose love every day. Every morning, life gives you a choice. Not with words, but with moments. You can choose anger or peace. You can choose hate or love. You can choose to ignore or to help. Choose love, even when it is hard. Even when it hurts. Even when no one claps. Love is not weak. Love is the strongest force in the world. Love builds when hate destroys. Love heals when pain breaks. Love unites when fear divides. When you choose love, you become dangerous to darkness. When you choose kindness, you become powerful against cruelty. When you choose empathy, you become unstoppable. You do not need to fix everyone. Just love someone. That is how the world begins to heal. Choose love when people disappoint you. Choose love when life hurts you. Choose love when you feel tired of caring. Because every time you choose love, you save a piece of humanity. And every time you save humanity, you save yourself too. Number 10. Be the reason. Do not wait for heroes. Become one. Do not wait for change. Be it. Do not wait for someone else to care. Care first. Be the reason someone smiles today. Be the reason someone believes again. Be the reason someone says, humanity is still beautiful. Your life is not just about you. It is about the people you touch, the hearts you change, and the hope you leave behind. One day, someone will remember you not for what you owned, but for how you made them feel. Make them feel seen. Make them feel valued. Make them feel loved. That is how legends are made. Not with fame, but with kindness. So now, when you walk out into this world, do not walk like you are small. Walk like you matter, because you do. Walk with kindness in your hands. Walk with love in your voice. Walk with courage in your heart. Walk with purpose in your steps. This world is tired of noise. It is tired of hate. It is tired of fear. What it needs is you. Your heart. Your goodness. Your humanity. You do not need to change the whole world. Just change the world of one person. Then another. Then another. That is how big change begins. Be gentle in a rough world. Be kind in a cold world. Be light in a dark world. Because every time you choose goodness, you restore faith in humanity. Every time you choose love, you save a soul. Every time you choose kindness, you change the future. And one day, someone will say because of you, I did not give up. I did not lose hope. I believed again. If this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so we can spread more positivity together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.